How to buy Ton and Tonkeeper. Buying Toncoin and Tonkeeper makes it easy to manage and use your crypto within the app. Now here is how we are going to get this done. When you open the app itself, you should be able to see the dashboard. This is what we are looking at right now. Now what you can do is just head over here to buy and sell. You can just click that one, and then you have here an option that says buy Ton, and there are a lot of options down here below. Say for example, we are going to head over for transact. We're going to buy that. Let's just click it. And after clicking, this is what you are going to see. So buy crypto to your wallet, you can go ahead and pay. Say for example here. Now you can make some adjustment down below. For example, right now 1 ton rate is going to be around this much in Philippine peso. Now you can definitely adjust this one. Say for example, what I'm gonna be buying is say worth 3,000 pesos, just like that. So if I were to do that, I am to receive only about 5.85 ton. Now you can go ahead and choose your own payment method here. Say for example, what I have right now is GCash, but I can definitely choose it. Say for example, if I were to use Google Pay, just like so. And then you can go ahead and click this one to see the fees calculation. There you go. And say for example, you're satisfied with everything, you can just go over and hit the buy now button down here, and then you are going to have to verify this one in order to make the transaction possible. And congratulations, that is how you are going to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. And as always everybody, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.